With more and more electronics being produced and then thrown away every year, figuring out a way to dispose of the hazardous hardware without damaging the environment has become a top priority for many device manufacturers. In fact, the problem has become so large that e-waste is now the fastest growing segment of the municipal waste system around the world. Bonnie Nixon is the Director of Sustainability at Hewlett-Packard. She says the company is hard at work on designing products that are easy to recycle, disassemble, and reuse.
Today, we have recycled more than 1 billion pounds in 20 years, and we've got a goal in only the 3 years, from 2007 to 2010, to recycle another 1 billion pounds.
Definitely an ambitious goal, but many believe HP and other PC makers have a lot of work to do. One of the criticisms leveled on the industry has been the use of unsafe materials inside computers. When PCs are disposed of, they can leak toxic chemicals into the environment. HP wants to make all of its devices recyclable. Today, 75 to 100% of their products meet the test, and they're creating facilities around the world to help break down suspect materials and make recycling safer.
CRTs are one of the materials of concern, and there are very specific locations. In fact, one of them is in Singapore, outside of Singapore and Malaysia, where they actually get reused into glass again. And so making sure that it gets to the right facilities there, as well as ones that are in the Americas, is important.
HP is well known for its printer business, and their cartridges, after they're used up, are a huge source of e-waste. But the company is using a process called closed-loop recycling to help curb the problem. Michelle Price is an environmental marketing manager with HP's printer group.
These are original, empty HP inkjet print cartridges, and we take the print cartridges and we shred them. And then from there we actually take them through further processing from a recycling perspective, and we add water bottles for strength. And then we turn that into a material that looks something like this. And then we take that material and we actually mold them into new inkjet print cartridges.
Are all of the print cartridges that are bought by customers that are on store shelves today, are those all made out of recycled old cartridges?
Not yet. We actually last year in 2008 announced that we have shipped over 250 million cartridges with recycled plastics in them, made from our closed-loop recycling process, but not all of our print cartridges contain recycled content.
But Nixon says they're working on it. And in the end, recycling isn't just good for the environment, but also good business practice.
Our business customers recognize that HP is completely committed to responsible recycling. So just by going on hp.com/recycle, you can find out how to get the products back to us, find easy places to drop off the products, find easy shipping solutions to get it back to us. And we'll make sure that it's handled responsibly.
For BNet, I'm Sumi Das.